2020 Challenger RT today. Came through, he wanted a mid muffler delete, a mid muff EG. So what we did was we chopped off those mid mufflers. Let's check it out. Right here, chopped off this little midsection, threw the mufflers on the floor, and that's it. Stock tips. We left the rear mufflers. A lot of people are always asking, oh, should I do a rear muffler delete or a mid muffler delete? They always go for the mid mufflers. The mid mufflers are a little easier. If you do the rear mufflers, in my opinion, you don't get as much drone, right? So it's a little bit more beneficial for you, and it sounds pretty similar. I'll try to do a video showing you guys or making you guys listen to mid mufflers versus rear mufflers. And also, if you want tips, you get the back ones, and you can select which tips you want depending on your diffuser, etc. But I'm gonna let you guys hear this mid muffler, and maybe in the future I'll do a video of both. All right, let's hear it.